The call comes in and they say, Mr. Oginski, I almost died. And I say, wait a second, but you didn't. So what long-term injury or disability do you have as a result of whatever it was that was done wrong? Come join me as I share with you how this evolves and what actually occurs. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I get these calls from time to time where an injured victim will pick up the phone to call me and say, Mr. Oginski, I almost died. I want to bring a lawsuit. Well, I ask them, it's great that you didn't, and I'm really glad to hear that. But what permanent disability or injury do you have as a result of whatever you think was done wrong? And now that stops most people in their tracks because they typically don't associate the fact that they need to show that the wrongdoing was a cause of whatever injury they're claiming. So once they regroup and think about that for a moment, now they go ahead and proceed to tell me what injuries they have as a result of whatever was done wrong. And the fact that they almost died doesn't really count when you bring a lawsuit. Why not? Because either you did or you didn't. The fact that you almost did really is not important. Instead, we look to see what injury you suffered. How did that cause you pain? What kind of harms and losses did you suffer as a result of someone else's carelessness? And only if we are able to connect the dots between showing that somebody was careless and now the carelessness caused injury, there has to be that connection, a bridge between the wrongdoing and the injury and the harms and losses you suffered. Only then can we turn around and say, hey, you may have a valid basis for a case. Why don't you come on in, let's talk about this further. But when somebody calls and says, hey, I almost died or I could have died, the question turns then on, really, what type of injuries did you actually suffer as a result of the wrongdoing? So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on when we evaluate a possible valid case here in the state of New York, in either a medical malpractice case, an accident case, or even a wrongful death case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.